Irakani nyowe Peter Banura district chairperson wa Kikube kandi kia rero kusema Ruhanga hawa kintu kyatwolekeze kia rero yaturabia omubwiro burungi hari tubairene tu marira tournament yaitu rundi Xmas Cup yakona tebaire yange nyenka nko muntu baitu ebaire yaitu itwena abanyakikube kurango to identifying a talent eza muna basigazi omuzano go mipira mukimanya kurungi ngo mipira gule muzano gumo hali abasigazi besoroza muno kandi mu kwesoroza oku ikigenderwa kiba kya kwitirana ku kwigensanza ebitekerezo kuganyirangana ombintu byona so games runde mizano kintu kikuru muno so nabwekyo nyowe nabanyoni bange tukarura ngo maliki kusemera mwaka guno nitugumalira tutekeye kikopo kya abasigazi baitu aba mu district ya Kikube baitu twatandikira haiguru amagombora nigazana amagombora games kaba mukaga kandi zazanwa kurungi kandi mali mchangwali ya ika final na Buhimba sub county ngoba sima bona muno mkoriguru bona halokali. Asante sana afoyo matek merci beaucoup alakara habwa ibintu byotere mamani gotaire mukuru rangu wajugumbya kinogozegyo Buhimba yona bukoto bwayo kandi na timu ya Changwali nywena muleke akimu talent emizaneno etolekeze muno talent kandi mali abantu abakugwa abamanyiro kusakinga talent z'abantu babaire nabo ni batonura ni bamanya obwire burayika okutunga timu emu ijwire ya Kikube netukikira mali abantu bondabana tubaboina talent zero so nabwekyo kya rero tumalire mu kisaye kya St Nicholas Bugambe kandi batutangira kurungi aba councillors na chairman 3 n'aba councillors abandi bona basagikire kurango itwena twabaho. This is the spirit nugo obunywani bunkusaba twikazaho ebintu bingi ebiturabo munsi ebintu bingi nebitutwara busa baitu butuyija hamu tusemererwa itwena nk'abantu so ikigenderwa kyange kaba kya twitirane omwaka gubaire kale gubaire muzibo muno abantu bayikirweho muno ebintu bya covid bya lockdown abantu batakuitirana kurungi mu bisahe nombichweke bindi so kya rero kyatwolekya kimungu mali tosorogarukayo kandi tulindira na government halira kengure ihanga mu January abana baitu nibagaruka ya masomero baitu twagamba katutandikise mupira gono.
Okay, onne pobaliza muzano muyako mkwena kwetonzi mu district tubazana
omuzano gwo haro omuzano abakuriza baitu gwakweta rugby muzano murungi kandi harurengo rwa Uganda rundi national team ya Uganda ya rugby ina amani muno kandi ekaika harurengo ruwensi yona neza nakimuna mahanga gandi ga South Africa go na New Zealand kandi abana nibatandikira umbyaro kuno hasi mu barorango bagenzere haiguru kuri bazanire hanga nibagina na hero nibatandika no kusoma nibatungana scholarships betu byane barabo mu isomo so nyowe ikigendera kyange tinkwenda kulekera Kikuwe batulekeye enyuma inkurakurana nyingi kwija na muno bintu bine bya oil and gas bintu binge bigenda kwija abantu bayenga bagyo kwija nyowe kuli kugonza kwange kusaba kwange tukwatanire zamu tubondezangane tuganyirangane turolengo tukwihamo obusonga songo bwo tutalibaniza twemukiye itwenka buso umuntu agenda kwija kutwemukiya twemukiye itwenka nyowe ni ngamba katutandikire mu mizaneno muzano gwa rugby nyina abanywani naguzanaga nkyali mu secondary kandi abanywani bange abakwebemberana muno ekitebe kitwara omuzano gumihanga lyona ya Uganda Rugby Union bakansagika bandaganiza bagya kurutwekera ba coach kuruga mu center baije basomesa abana baitu omuzano gwa rugby nagwo gukwate yo mu Kikube kandi kubagumiza bugura katandika tigwijja kugaruka yenyuma habwokuba guli very entertaining kandi abantu baingi bagugonza muno.
Okay, honorable no tumaliriza twine ensonga y'ebyamataka mu district yona ambere turozere nti omukuru wa RDC algeyo yagamba nti halting activities za kupima oba kusara okuteka boundaries za Bugoma Forest aho nawo twine ensonga za Bukinda twine byapa bingi muno ebikuniro kuba biri mu bichweka district land board tukwangu chairperson tumanyire ensonga ki yasobere kuba niyamuletera kuba nayemerezibwa oba ni musoka ni mutekaho pause baita abandi bo kunira bakarabaho so tumanyire dihi swearing in oba dihi mukumuraga tugarukire buhimba tubone mu kanso naho nibasobora kugamba bagarukiye basoke batorereze to summarizing within your few minutes about land issues in Chikube na take home yao kusigikira ansonga zitukuru kwa ni ensonga ya amani enya kutaliwa ni za district ya Uwirebo.
Ngia kutandikira haki ya land board chairperson batamwemereze musawo omuntu yamwemereze baitu akabaho kwetombo ita around petition kurugwa aba members abamu habwa omuntu okukandi procedure rondo mbiragiro mu mateka ekiteesezo kikaija kwetombo itoko kwa ijo mu council speaker ya kutwaro maiso yatekayo committee yaseririze ansongezo yagaruka yaleta findings zayo so twa wondera amateka emitendera yona okurora ngu kawesemero kuba negenda habukuba tekikanga bukanga district kigenda mpaka mu ministry ya lands niho bachwera ngo amuntu ona semerero ntasemerere so submission ya nanka committee ge kakorwa tukulindira communication kurugo mu center bwiraba ehulira bukuba petitions zabo zikaikayo bwiraba bagihulirize ni barora ngo tasemerere bajja kutuhandikira nkulinde barwa bajja kubana bahandikira chairman baruhegyo kurango kandi tusobora kugaruka mu Burundi okutoza omulingo guona na ebyabuhimba area land committee gali mazima akabamo butakenganga na kurungi umbebembe zabamu na leadership ya Gombora baitunka abokuba kireseremu kwetombo ita kwa mani ati emirundi hayinke ebiri tukachwamu rundi tuchwiremo nka leadership ya district ku sirimu kahansi tugende twikaze abakuru bana bakubona babembezi bagenzi baitu twikaze chairman twikaze ba councillors abamagombora n'aba district tuchondoze kintu kino ebintu bino byona itwena turoho kuhereza service delivery baitu obutu tomerangana omuntu wa hansi abantu abatukomere nibo basasa so ninihira tubikaliremu n'umutima ogukwera kandi tukarora ensobi haleri tukagigonjora nkunira tujja kutunga obwenganizo so nitubasaba okumisiriza tujja kwika ebiro binongira ebikuru biraba tubirugiremu omaisa aho tujja kwikayo ensonga zituzikalemu ekintu kya Bugoma rundi boundary openings mali abairemo kwetombo itakanda kyalero abairemo abantu abaizira ofisi yange baitu ogumugiso murungi basangirwe haliyo na mitingi ekwata muno ansonga niye muyagyo omu ofisi ya RDC so RDC ya kora kurungi ngu twaikaliza abantu abo kururangu abahuridize abakuba boundary openings niki kintu kimu kitwikaire ne tusava muno emyaka nyingi haroho kwetombo itano esanga NFA ekugamba itaka lyayo bali kwasireho ekukanga hanu no sanga bataka bamba kugamba NFA tutahirire tukupanga hanu no esanga gaba investor bandi nabo abaina ebyapa ibiroho nabo bagamba tutahirire ati okuyamu kwe murugunyoko boundary opening niyo yabaye mubazi okusemera okuba ne tuyambo kuyama emsanga okuba mu bintu bino byona mpaka haroho aina sobi so butula bateka mu boundary openings tukamanya nanko kuraba hano nanka uli hano owensobi tujja kumuzora so nitubasaba patience exercise kyagenda maiso baitabo bire bikuru no kwijja mukunu kwetombo itarama abantu abamwe baire batayizirwe on board butu kuba nitujja kora exercise eno kiba kirungi buli stakeholder kumuleta on board bona babeho niko kwetombo itoko kujjo kubakora ni program so tukubasaba patience tugumisirize twikaze abantu bona stakeholders abaire basigaire busaba kuleka muntu enyuma abaire basigaire bayijeho kandi tuli batire hamu amazima garazooka.
Okay, webale muno honorable.
Bitali basire ku the district mekireka kwerera ngo mbera yatekera not like the past way.
Minister Mugali Mazima akaija kandi tukamutangirira personally kukasanga ntaroho katugire Mbarara mu workshop ezimwe za Minister of Prime Minister's Office baitu akabaho leadership bagenzi bange abakungwera bakabaro to represent Gali Mazima kikube okuba a new district bintu bingi bikatandika biri omu mbere ta kusemeza kuronge kandi nka district empya ko discover tosobora kuba na buli kimu kiri straight so nsobiye zimu zikakorwa nsobiye zimu zabaho so na wekyo okugenderwa kw'emikoro y'emirimu baire tari nungi itakuli batakulungi habwa imbera zitukulengaho kuhindura so leadership enu kandi nkwebembera nkulengaho muno na mani nimbasaba musabire mutusabire tukuterekereza tulengeho twikeho buhereza mu tukwetaga kuko minister nawe aliyo kusavinga ihanga nawe aliyo bujumanzi babwe kururango ibintu bikuri bata nawe abinaho mukono kandi yabihondekera so naitwe katuyamba kururango yayongeraho a monitoring exercise yegyo kandi tujya kumusagika kururango tuliro naitwa mani kuyongera kuchondoza nsobyeze zemeza bairaho baitu eba process tikiba kintu kyangu ngo kibwa kya lero ni kintu kizimiza baitu tukulibata tukumira omaiso biro butali bwahara tura batu twine bintu bihindukire abo birungi ba district
Tusembiye message ya Christmas lakini biro biko
Christmas mali biro kire ebiro kandi tukubitangira Christmas mukimanya birebyo abantu bakira muno kusemererwa eiraho abantu batekanizaga muno niba gurenguye omukyara na lindire gomesi saija nawe na patikana na gure akasuti ko mukyara ngweza abana baitu embera turabiremu kandi naibo bakuliriza embera etutaire muno kandi tesemize abantu bayinge mu ihanga lino baita abantu kubasima mwekambire mulengereho na muno abantu bana Uganda abantu bekambi mumbera yona balengereho kukora kwikiyaho bereza rundi ebintu ebirungi birasoboka kuturabya mu mbire buno so Christmas ebiro bifika tukubasaba mulindo businge mulinde biragiro bya COVID-19 nk'uko birabamu abamu curfew time egyo zo ubwiro bukyaro.
Yes, of course, ladies and gentlemen, as you heard for yourself, that is Honorable Peter Banula, Local Council 5 Old Chikube, Boss Chikube Governor, giving out his message to basically 2021 ending, and of course a prosperous 2022. And of course, in his speech, he went ahead to basically alert all the residents of Chikube, to be vigilant and also be very, very careful and take part in all. As in the images, you can see Chikube Town Council, and of course, where the headquarters of Chikube District stand. And of course, we are also telling you that I am Arinda Tiwait in the voice note, and of course Chiziramfumbi, you can see Kabare Road, whereby we are having Everest High School, one of the best schools in Chikube district. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to let you people know that you just need to be very, very careful with everything you're doing as per now. And we have to be very, very, very specific on all activities we are doing. Let's be trustworthy, let's be honest, and let's work hard to make sure that we can make it a prosperous 2022. And as it approaches to next year, by this time, we can be very, very, very successful and celebrating. And of course, as you can see, all that is in Chikube Town Council. That is how the town is looking like, Chikube District, where it stands and the home of Chikube district. And of course, still, ladies and gentlemen, I just want to let you people know, just go to our YouTube channel, just type in Chikube TV. You also have to like, follow and support. And of course, this is the only media platform that we have in the district that is really ready to serve and also give you quality and balanced stories, basically breaking stories, and also what is gonna be trending, availability of jobs. You can see the waves, voice of Chikube, and of course this is one of the community radios around, and of course the streets you're seeing are in Chikube Town Council. You can see all the streets around, so we are having hopes of a development and constructive area where we're seeing areas developing. And I just want to tell you people that all this you're seeing is your district. You need to love your district, you need to love your people, you need to work very hard, very tireless for your district. And we have to focus for development, ladies and gentlemen. And I'm still Arinda T, where of course you can see the office of the Residence District Commissioner, whereby we really visit this area. And of course it's always having many clients, and of course much of it being land issues, whereby most of them have issues on land. If not land grabbing, it can be mob of landlords actually making people disabled. You can have your T-Sat at 32,500, and of course you have it delivered at your doorway. And of course that is the image Arinda TY standing live. Call me White MC, of course ready to serve, ready to love you. All the work you can see on Chikube television. So I want to alert you people that we are very serious and Soul Moon. Our Soul Moon, it is unlimited. Greetings to you, our dear people. That's the pianist, of course, at Restoration Worship Center Church in Chongwari. Our people in Bugambe, our people in Buhimba, our people in Kaboya. We have people in areas wherever they are. We love you so much, my people. I just want to tell you people that you're so nice and so loving. You've been there for us. We love you and we are ready to always serve you forever and never. Ladies and gentlemen, I also want to let you know that as Chikube television, we are live on your site, on your line, on your internet, on your wherever, in your room, in your car, in your wherever you be. You can just get your smartphone and follow us, love us. Facebook, YouTube, on our website, and of course you can see very loving and energetic young man, White MC Arinda TY, ready to serve you. We love our people in Kampala. We are seeing our much following is in Kampala, and also our